This video is copyright protected, which is detailed on the last slide. The Intensifier LED Plow Light Kit will include all the necessary electrical components for installation for both the vehicle and plow. The Intensifier LED Plow Light Kit will include the headlamp control module, referred to in this video as the HCM, the dual wire adapter harness, the HCM power cable, the blade edge light wire assembly, the 16-pin vehicle lighting harness, the 16-pin plow lighting harness, and the plow lights. This will also include the vehicle battery cable, vehicle control harness, and a 200 amp fuse kit, which is no longer packed with the off-truck kit. The vehicle battery cable, vehicle control harness, and plug-in harness will be installed as per the installation instructions for the 3-port isolation module wiring prior to installing the HCM and LED plow lighting harness. The 11-pin lighting harness that is provided in the plug-in harness kit will not be used during the installation. After installing the isolation module, vehicle battery cable, vehicle control harness, and plug-in harness as per the installation instructions, mount the HCM in close proximity to the isolation module. Locate the 16-pin vehicle lighting harness and plug the 20-pin connector into port Y of the HCM and route the 16-pin molded plug through the grille of the vehicle. Take the single red wire on the 16-pin vehicle lighting harness and connect it to the HCM terminal. Connect the single-pin connector coming off of the plug-in harness to the single-pin connector on the vehicle lighting harness. Install the dual wire adapter harness by inserting the 8-pin connector into port X of the HCM and the 10-pin connector into port A of the isolation module. Connect the HCM power cable to the vehicle battery with the black lead going to the negative terminal and the red lead to the positive terminal. Connect the 2-pin connector from the HCM power cable to the mating 2-pin connector on the vehicle lighting harness. If you are installing the Intensifier LED plow lights on a 2017 or newer Ford Super Duty, you will need to plug the 2-pin connector located on the vehicle lighting harness into the 2-pin relay enable plug on the plug-in harness. If you are installing the Intensifier LED plow lights on a 2015 or newer Dodge Ram 25 to 5500, connect the orange wire located on the vehicle lighting harness to the white and brown wire coming from the vehicle side BCM. The green park wire located on the plug-in harness will not be used for this application. The Intensifier LEDs have a feature called Edge View, which provides a full 180 degrees of light visibility from plow edge to edge for view of the plow's operating environment. The Edge View feature will come standard from the factory in the on position, which means the edge lights will be on all the time whenever the plow lights are on. This feature can be changed to only activate during the float function, or this feature can be turned to the off position. To activate Edge View when the plow is in float mode, connect one end of the blade edge light wire assembly to the yellow wire located on the plow side lighting harness, and connect the other end of the blade edge light wire assembly to the wire coming off of port B of the control harness at the plow module that is dedicated to the float function. After connecting the yellow wire to the wire that activates the down function, you will have to change the position of the blade edge light jumper fuse on the vehicle side lighting harness to the float position. If you want to disable this feature, you will have to change the position of the jumper fuse to the off position. Thank you for watching this video. For additional information or questions regarding the Intensifier LED setup, please contact the technical support team for further guidance.